An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes is 45 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? Solution: at the height of palm tree is equal to AC. Height of observer is equal to DE is equal to 1.8 meters. Angle of elevation of the top tree from observer eye is equal to angle BDC is equal to 45 degrees. Distance between observer and palm tree is equal to AE is equal to 13.2 meters. From the figure, DE is equal to BA is equal to 1.8 meters. BD is equal to AE is equal to 13.2 meters. From triangle BCD, tan 45 degrees is equal to BC by BD, which implies 1 is equal to BC by 13.2, which implies BC is equal to 13.2. Height of the palm tree, that is AC, is equal to AB plus BC, which is equal to 1.8 plus 13.2 is equal to 15 meters.